Today I'm checking out this set of LED replacement lights. I was sent this at no cost so I could do the review. These are 9005 is the model for these, 9005. Of course, as you can see here, they've got tons of different models of this light here. And these are headlight replacements. So this is the LED light. It's got the two prongs. This is the standard connector for 9005 bulbs. And it's got the same style plug connector, so that way you can just twist them in. It does have this little fan here that runs when the lights are on, so that way they can keep all of the electronics in this nice and cool. And it's got two nice size LEDs, one on each side, that are extremely bright. I'll go ahead and plug these in a minute so we can see that. And of course, there's two of them. It does come with this cotton set of gloves here, and that's mainly because you don't want to get the oils from your hand on any part of the important part of these bulbs, which is basically any of this part here on the inside. So you can wear the gloves when you're installing these just so you don't accidentally do that. It does come with an instruction manual that goes over how to put all this in your vehicle, and it even comes with a little sticker if you want to put that somewhere. But let's go ahead and get some power to these things and see how well they run. So I already know these are going to be extremely bright, but what I want to do is hook these up to some 12-volt power and see what the fan noise is like. That is one thing that sometimes LED lights will have kind of a whining noise from the fan, and you just don't want to hear that, especially if you can hear it all the way in your car. So let's see how quiet these are. They're supposed to be very quiet to a point where you should not be able to hear them inside your vehicle. Let's check it out. I've already got the positive wire hooked up to this so I can hold it without touching it. Then I'm going to hook up the negative, and I want it to be facing away from the camera because the light will be so bright it will just basically make the camera freak out, as you can see. Very quiet. I can hear the fan, and I can feel it blowing, but that's nothing. That's very little noise. You would not hear that inside of your cab. So yeah, very nice. I like these. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.